Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to show offline in Pokémon GO. If you prefer to play Pokémon GO without being disturbed or receiving friend requests, you can appear offline to your friends. So the first thing to do is to open up Pokémon GO application on your mobile device, and once you're in this page, tap on your profile avatar at the bottom left corner. Now, you will end up in the Friends tab where you will see a green dot right above your profile picture if you're online on the game. If you want to turn off the online status and show yourself as offline, simply tap on the green toggle button right under your username at the top left, and that way you will be able to stay offline in Pokémon GO. This will prevent your location from being shown to your friends and they won't be able to see you in real time. That is how you can easily appear offline to your friends in Pokémon GO. If you found the tutorial helpful, go ahead and like, share and subscribe for more. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.